A very good morning, students. As we have started with the 9th chapter of science, the chemistry chapter, atoms and the molecules. So in this chapter already we have discussed with the definition of atoms and molecules, atomic mass, molecular mass, right? So many things we have discussed about in this chapter. Coming to the last concept of this chapter, that is mole concept. So in today's class we will learn about what is mole, who introduced this, what is this concept we will discuss. So before we start with the topic, let me give you an example, students. Your mother will tell you to bring 1 dozen banana. Your mother, she told you to bring 1 dozen banana. 1 dozen means 12 bananas will come. If I tell you 1 pair, nothing but 2 numbers, right? 2 units, you say 2 numbers, 2 in number. 1 pair of slippers means 2 slippers, right? So these are all the fixed units. Like that, based on this, there is one more concept, that is mole. 1 mole. What is this 1 mole? 1 mole nothing but it is having 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms or molecules. 1 dozen means 12 units, 12 in number. 1 pair means 2 in number. Like that, 1 mole, if I say, it is having 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms or molecules. Means how much, students? If you remove all these digits and all, 6022. Right? And here I have to put 20 zeros. 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See, students, how 1 dozen means 12 in number? No, like that. If I am telling you 1 mole of carbon, 1 mole of hydrogen, that 1 mole consists of these many number of atoms. It is very difficult to remember and to write these numbers. 1 number is missing means it's wrong. So we have simplified it and we have made it as 0.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms are present. If I am telling 1 mole of a carbon, means these many number of atoms are present. Hope you are understanding, students? Yes. If I write H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Let me balance the equation, students. Yes, 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. So this is a chemical reaction. With this chemical reaction, if I say in terms of units, right, atomic mass we have discussed, right? So if you are taking the atomic mass or the molecular mass and all, so what you can say, 4U hydrogen, right, with the combined with the 32U of oxygen to form the water as 36U. Right? 36U we can say. With this atomic mass, molecular mass, that we can understand. But how to know how many atoms are present? Yes, for this confusion, scientists have made this mole concept. 1 mole means these many number of atoms or molecules present. Right? So this mole concept introduced by the scientist will help Ostwald. In the year 1896, he introduced the concept of the mole. Right? The mole word he has taken from the Latin. Mole word, it is from the Latin language. So in the Latin language, mole means heap. you put substances in terms of heaps, how it looks like that, the meaning, heap or pile. With this meaning, he had introduced the word mole. So at last, 1 mole means these many number of atoms or molecules present. So this concept accepted in the year 1967, and we are all using the concept that is mole concept. Hope you are understanding, students. If I tell you 16 grams of oxygen, 16 gram of oxygen, okay, it is having 16 gram of oxygen has a 1 mole of atom. 1 mole of atom. If I say, then what do you understand, students? How many? This is 1 mole. How many atoms are present? So if you come to know that in this 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms are present. Understanding? Yes. So like this, 1 U of hydrogen, 1 U of hydrogen is having 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms means these many number of atoms are present. So very difficult to tell this every time, no? So we will tell it in terms of the mole, right? And this number is also known as Avogadro number. Avogadro number. The scientist Avogadro who introduced this, so with his name, this is also known as the Avogadro's number. As you know, Avogadro number will be represented as Na, capital N-A, Avogadro number. Right, students? So this is about the mole concept, and which completes our lesson, atoms and the molecules. Okay? Yes. Next chapter will begin in our next class. Okay, students? Practice all these things, complete your notes, and whatever doubts if you are having, we will discuss it. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.